Good morning, student. Again, welcome to our Boolean algebra chapter. In this video lecture, we will discuss about the fundamental gates of Boolean algebra. As you know, in the previous video lecture, we discussed already that there are 7 different logic gates. Out of these 7, 3 logic gates are known as fundamental logic gates of our digital electronics. These 3 fundamental gates, out of these 3, the very first is AND gate, then the second one is OR gate, and the third specific logic gate, it is NOT gate. So today in this video lecture, we will discuss about this AND gate. What is AND gate of Boolean algebra? As you know, it is a physical component. It is a electronic component that is available inside our processor, inside our microcontroller, inside the embedded system. Right? So, what is AND gate? Very first thing, AND gate works on one or more than one input signals. Here, input signal means what? Input signals means input conditions. We can supply one or more than one input conditions to this specific AND gate, right? So here it is the very first point. Now the second point is, what will be the result of AND gate? If you want to see the image, the diagram of AND gate, it looks like this one. Just you have to draw capital D and some wires are here. These 2 wires are known as input signals, or we can say input conditions, and this wire, output wire, should be one only, and this wire is known as output signal, right? So it is the representation of AND logical gate. Now it produces true result. Very first, each and every gate works on true and false only. It produces the result either in true or in false only. So here AND gate, it produces true result when all the inputted conditions or signals are true. Here, just see this AND gate, 2 input signals, input conditions are there. If P is true and Q, both input signals are true, then only the result, that is here, it is true, otherwise false. So the most important point related with the AND gate is, it produces true result if all the input signals are true only. Right? If any one input signal is false or all the input signals are false, then the result of this AND gate, it is false always. Clear? Now the third point, AND gate, it represents a Boolean function only. Which Boolean function, which Boolean operation? It represents conjunction operator. You know there are 3 different operations in Boolean algebra: conjunction, disjunction, and then the inversion, or we can say inverting. So AND gate works on conjunction operator of Boolean algebra. Here one more thing, the symbol of AND gate, it is this one. You just put dot sign. Dot, full stop. It is the symbol of AND gate. Right? Now, we are going to understand the concept of AND gate with a general life example. Here, a general life example is there on the board. What is the example? Just read this line carefully. The line is, the statement is, find a boy who is naughty and careless. Find a boy who is naughty as well as, and represents as well as, find a boy who is naughty as well as careless, or we can say find a boy who is naughty and careless. Right? This is the example, and here, and it is the same in our general English, and the operation of this line, it reflects the same operation of AND gate in digital electronics. Right? Now teacher says, teacher give you a question that out of these 50 students, find out or filter some students that who are naughty and careless. Right? So we are going to check this condition on 4 different students. Very first student, Sam. One student is there in class 11 in any school. Sam. Now, when we are going to scan Sam, we find that he is not a naughty guy and he is not a careless also. So Sam, result of naughty, it is false. He is not a naughty boy. So here I put false and then add as it is. Now we are going to check the second condition on Sam. Sam is careless or not? Sam is not a careless boy. So here you just put F. First condition naughty, it is false for Sam. Second condition careless, it is also false for Sam. So can you filter Sam from these among students? We cannot filter because Sam not going to satisfy our condition. So overall Sam is not filtered. Overall result is false. We cannot take Sam out of these 50 students. Right? Now check these two conditions on Rohan. Rohan, one more student is there. Another student is there and out of these 50. Rohan. Rohan is not a naughty boy. But he is careless. Not a naughty boy, but he is careless. So naughty false, careless true. Now tell me, can you filter Rohan or not? Rohan is not a naughty boy, but he is careless. Can you filter? We are going to filter only those students that are having these two conditions true. Naughty भी होना चाहिए, careless भी होना चाहिए. दोनों चीजें होनी चाहिए तो उस बच्चे को आपको उस बीट से बाहर निकालना है. Now, Rohan, first condition is false. Second condition true, but according to the statement, we cannot filter Rohan. So overall result false. नहीं लेके आना, छोड़ना है उसको भाई. Next one, just check this Tony. Now we find that Tony is a naughty. Tony is a naughty boy, but he is not a careless boy. Can you filter? Can you filter Tony? What is the result? Two conditions. One condition is true, second one is false, but the statement says you have to filter the boy who is having both the condition. Here, Tony is not going to filter by us. False. We cannot filter Tony according to this statement. Now come to the last one, Sachin. Most arrogant boy of the class. Sachin. He is naughty and he is careless also. Both the conditions are true. Naughty and careless. True, true. Now the result. Yes, you have to filter that particular boy from out of these 50 students. So here the overall result is true. Right? This one is known as the concept of this false, false, true, false, true. This concept is known as truth table concept. Right? It is the truth table. If you want to draw the truth table of these two conditions, condition first is naughty and second is careless. If you want to draw the truth table, how it looks, just check it out. Here I am going to write names of the students: Sam, Rohan, third one is Tony, and the last one Sachin. Right, here these are the names. Now first input signal naughty. Naughty I represents naughty as A. Second input signal careless is B, and then the result I am going to write the result over here. This one, like this one. So Sam portion. I have to put this line just some height. A, B, then result, right? Now it is visible. Then Rohan, then Tony, then Sachin. These four students are there, two input conditions are there. A represents naughty, B represents careless, and the overall result. So Sam, according to this one, F, false means 0. So Sam, condition 1 is false, condition 2 is false, overall result is false. 0, 0, the result is 0. Now, come to the Rohan part. False and true. False and true means 0 and 1. True is 1. So 0 and 1. What is the result? Here it is 0. Come to the Tony part. True and false. Tony, first condition is true, means it is 1. Second condition false, it is 0. What is the overall result? It is 0. Right? Then the last one, Sachin, first condition is true, second is true, and the result is also true. It is known as truth table representation. of this particular statement. Just see, truth table. In the truth table, false is converted into 0, true is converted into 1. Simple. It is the truth table. Clear? So, by this we have finished the first part of the board. Now come to the second part. This one. Here, in this part, there are 3 different diagrams of this AND gate. The first diagram is based on digital electronics. The second diagram is based on physics. And the third diagram is based on mathematics. Just try to understand the concept. If you want to draw the logical diagram of AND gate, it is very simple. We discussed already in the previous video also. Just draw the capital D and ask how many input signals are there. If you are having 2 input signal P and Q, then the diagram is this one. This AND gate represents, or it is known as 2 input AND gate. Right? Now the next diagram, 3 inputs AND gate. 3 inputs A, B, C. 3 input lines are there. And then the result output is always 1, or output is always single wire. The output, it is a single wire, and the result is A dot B dot C. You have to put dot notification in between all the input signals. Why we use dot? Because AND gate works on binary multiplication, and dot is the symbol of multiplication. Right? So here, now the third diagram, it is a 4 input signal AND gate. Just check this diagram. If I say just draw the diagram of 4 input AND gate, very simple, just draw the D. 4 different wires you can attach at this side, and then single wire is that side. Here W, X, Y, Z, these 4 input conditions are there, these 4 input signals are there, and the result is W dot X dot Y dot Z. Right? So it is known as the logical diagram of AND gate. Now come to the next diagram. It is the circuit diagram. Circuit diagram related with physics, or we can say related with electronics. Here you can see one circuit of physics. Right, what is there in the circuit now? Just check it out. It is battery. Here, the symbol of battery is this one, and if you are going to put cell, the symbol of cell is this one. Right, it is battery. This is the plus, it is the negative, positive, negative. 2 ends are there in each and every battery. Now, in this circuit, I use one battery, and the wires of this battery, these are the wires of this battery. Right? The wire is coming out from the battery, and here A is a first switch, B is the second switch. Both the switches are in serial order. 2 different orders are there in physics, serial order and parallel order. These 2 switches are there in a serial order. Serial order means one after another. And here one electric bulb is also attached with the circuit. Right? Now, at the present scenario, at the present diagram, this bulb will be on or off. When both the switches are open, electricity is provided in the circuit or not? Try to check it. Both the switches are open, electricity is not provided in the circuit, and the bulb is in off condition. Right? Now, if I on the switch A, I just connect this switch with this wire, it means it is on. If I on the switch A, then what will happen? The bulb is on or off? It is on, but B is off, open. It means electricity, still the electricity not approaches to the electric bulb. Right? Again, if A is true, B is false, then also the bulb overall result is false. Right? Now, if I open A and connect this B circuit, what will happen now? Again, the circuit is incomplete. Incomplete means electricity will not accessible by the electric bulb, and bulb is in off state. When this bulb will be on if you connect all these 2 switches with each other with the wire, with the central wire, then and then only the circuit is on here. Check it out. Now if I plug this particular thing with these two, A and B both are on, then the circuit is completed and the electric bulb, it is in on condition. Right? So it is known as circuit diagram of this AND gate. Now the last diagram that is related with mathematics, and the diagram is known as Venn diagram. Venn diagram means it depends on sets. Sets are there, I think, in class 10 mathematics. Right? Two different sets are there, A and B. Which one is A dot B? Right? The common values of A and B. A is a different set, B is a different set, but the common values of A and B, these common values are represented by the particular R. This one, it is known as the common values. Clear? So common values, it is known as A dot B. This one. So it is the Venn diagram of this AND gate. Clear? Thank you. Thank you very much.